In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your oil, so that way your car never ends up looking like this, but instead looks like this. You will need oil, an oil filter and wrench, an oil pan, a jack, a rag, a wrench set, and a funnel. When jacking underneath the car, make sure you use a secure spot to keep the car up in the air. After getting the car jacked up, place an oil pan underneath of the car. Then place the oil pan underneath of the oil plug and use a wrench to unbolt the plug and let the oil drain out. Then you want to locate the oil filter and take it off using the oil filter wrench. Also, when you go to take off the old oil filter, make sure you move the oil pan underneath because oil will come out. Then you want to apply new oil to the new oil filter so that way it makes a tight seal when you put it on. When putting on the new oil filter, do not use the wrench, only hand tighten it on. This is one of the most important steps to changing your oil. You want to make sure that you put the oil plug back in and tighten it up with the wrench so that way your oil stays in the car when you put it in. After that, you want to lower your car back down by lowering the jack. Now you're going to want to look for a cap like this, which is where you will be putting your new oil back into the engine. Now you want to start adding new oil into the car. Most cars take somewhere in between 4 and 5 quarts, but after you put in 4 quarts, you're going to want to check the dipstick and see how full it is. When checking the dipstick, the closer the oil is to this line, the closer it is to full.